Hi there and welcome. I don't usually do time-lapse videos, but I decided to do one on this one just because, it's literally just taking down an old lamp and putting up a new one. And one of the reasons I decided to actually put up this lamp is that it comes with an actual outlet box on the outside of it with this really cool spring-loaded door that you can slide down and then plug in things onto this. So I didn't have to keep on opening up the garage doors every single time. And also I did like this because it's a little bit smaller. The other one actually was kind of large and I just kept on running into it. And I ended up actually installing this upside down, I guess is probably the best way to say it. You can see that I'm holding the box, and you can see the information for the electrical is upside down on the left. Just tighten down the nuts to hold the box onto the electrical box. I really need to get something to square this all off. I just went ahead and unscrewed the clamping nut on for the lampshade, and then put the lampshade on, and then just screwed the nut onto the lampshade to hold it on. Then I went and grabbed myself a light bulb, threw it in, and here you can see that I'm showing off the electrical box and everything like that. So yeah, I mean, it worked really well, and I can't wait to use it.